Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a quick update. We are fast approaching the release date for Sacrifice. I just wanted to share with you the agony, I want to say agony, but it's like there's a certain amount of stress, right, that comes with putting your work out there. And the months leading up to release of a book can be very intense for the person who is facing that deadline. You always doubt if you're going to make your deadline. You always second guess every decision you've made so far. Hopefully you're deep within the editing process at this point, and maybe even have your book out to beta readers. Myself, doing my own graphic design for the cover and doing my own layout for the interior, I am experiencing even more pressure than that. Saying bye to a coworker before I head home. So I just wanted to let you know that if you're out there and you're preparing to release a self-published manuscript and it all feels a bit too much, it all feels like it's overwhelming, like it's bigger than you, you're not alone. We're all in that boat, every one of us. Months leading up to release are intense, and you're not alone. At this point, everybody has imposter syndrome. Everybody has those doubts and those voices in the head. So what I'm here to do is to tell you not to listen to those voices in your head, not to listen to that thing that tells you you're an imposter and you don't really belong here. That's bull. You belong here. Let me look over my glasses, both of them. Keep it up. Keep going. You got this. You are an author. Y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.